Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have swatches for you for the December polish pickup nail polishes. Today I have the very last polish pickup of 2020 for you, and I will be showing you live swatches on these 6 nail polishes. Plus I also received the sugar scrub from KB Shimmer. I really do have to say that all the makers did an absolutely amazing job with the polishes that they are providing. For the team, everything is fine, and this pretty much wraps up 2020 for us. Besides these 6 polishes, you will find other makers and many more products and nail polishes in the December polish pickup. It will be open December 4th through December 7th. As always, I will link for you a link to frequently asked questions in case if you don't know what polish pickup is. I am really happy with every single one of these polishes that I will be showing you today. Definitely, if you're still deciding what to choose from the options that polish pickup is offering, hopefully my review swatch portion will help you out a little bit with your decision. Let me know which polish is your favorite, and if you are planning to pick up anything during the December polish pickup. I am eyeing some more polishes, of course, but let's see how it goes. I do hope that you will enjoy it. If you do, then please give me a thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Now I will jump into the swatch portion. All the details are in the description box, but if you do have any additional questions, please leave them for me in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for being here today, and I will be back for with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart. Cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. 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 We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart. Cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright. Hey. It's alright. so let's move on. It's alright, 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 so let's move on. Alright, so let's move on.
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart. Cause I know we won't make it out, I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out, we've heard it all before. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright.
It's alright, so let's move on. 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 Alright, so let's move on.
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart. Cause I know we won't make it out, I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out, we've heard it all before. It's alright. Hey. It's alright.
let's move